Good morning, everyone. So, this is my first task as a Sparks Foundation intern. The task which was given to me was to create a basic banking system. So, you can use any database, but I have used MySQL, and this will be the flow of our website. First, we have to go to the home page, then we can view all customers, select and view one customer, transfer money from that customer, select customer to transfer, and then view all customers. So, this is how my website looks. This is the front page of my website. So this is the home page of my website. So here what you can do is you can create a user. When you go to create user page, let's say we create a user called Shanti, and email be, let's say she has a balance of 50,000 rupees, and if you click on create, the user will be created, and it says that user has been created successfully, so that's a good sign. And we can see here that the user has been created now with a balance of 50,000 rupees. Now this is the transfer money page where we can select a particular user and transfer money. So let's say I'm selecting Shanti. I select, and then you can choose whom we are to send the money. So let's say I'm sending it to Sonali, sum of 2,000 rupees. So if we click transfer, then the money is sent to Sonali from Shanti, and it says the transaction has been successful. So this is the transaction history page where all the transactions history will be showed. So this shows that the Shanti has transacted to Sonali or sum of 2,000 rupees, and it also shows the correct date and time up to which it has been done. So this is a transaction history page, and let's see what will happen if you transact negative values or zero value. So let's take this time Keshav. So let's choose someone else, and let's say we are transferring the amount of zero. And if you click transfer, it says that zero value cannot be transferred. And if you try to transact in negative values, let's say minus 3,000 rupees, then it says negative values cannot be transferred. So now we can see the transaction history also. So this is my website, and now let's look at the code. So this is my config.php file where I'm connecting to the database. The name of my database is Sparks Intern. So here is my database, Sparks Intern, and it consists of two tables, transaction table and users table. You can see that just now which we have created, the user called Shanti has been created here, and the transaction Shanti to Sonali a sum of rupees 2,000 has been transferred. So it's working perfectly fine. And this is the create user page. This is the code that I have written for the create user page, which consists of form in which you can enter your name, email and balance. This is my index.php file, which is the home page. This is the navbar file, navbar.php, and this is the select a user detail page, which we where we get the table where we get to select from whom we have to send the money. And this is a transaction history page, which shows the history after the transaction. When the transaction has been done finally, it shows us the history of the transaction page. And this is the transfer money page, from where we can click the transact button. So that's all from my side. Thank you for